Good morning. Let's see. Hold on. Let me get everything set up. How we all doing today? I know you guys got them push notifications on because I didn't even post the link yet. Let's see. Live. Tweeter. Live. Making watch list. How we all doing? Whoops. Tweet. My throat, like, it still hurts. So, my voice might be going in and out. Right now it's good because I just had a cough drop. But, yeah, let's see. Swung QQQ calls. Cool. Yeah, so a couple things. Hopefully you guys remember the Euro USD that we talked about literally coming down to 1, the Euro futures. So, the other day, or not the other day, last week when the Euro futures were coming down to 1, this is a psychological support level, and I specifically tweeted saying, watch the Euro futures, because if it comes down to 1, I'm going to be looking to swing longs on Euro USD and Euro GBP. I ended up swinging the Euro USD. As you can see, this thing went absolutely ballistic overnight. Unfortunately, I didn't catch the full position because I didn't even look at it until Texas Beck put in the chat that there was some news overnight. But yeah, beautiful move. Literally bottom ticked this thing to a T and caught this whole move to the upside. So I'm good today. I've already hit my daily goal, over my daily goal, and it's 8:17 in the morning. So I'm cooling. But yeah, we here today. So if you guys could real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And two things real quick. Specifically with SPY and QQQ is what I want to talk about. So with SPY and QQQ, hold on. There we go. Fix this. Boom. So if you guys saw my, or read my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, if you haven't, I'm gonna drop it in the chat real quick. But in the book, I talk about stochastic divergence. So if we're looking at beyond, this is what a stochastic divergence is. Look at beyond and notice how it's going down in price and it's consolidating in price. But if we're looking at the stochastic, what is happening? We're getting a buy signal here, a higher buy signal here, another higher buy signal, another higher buy signal, and another higher buy signal. So this is a divergence. What happened with beyond? This thing completely exploded. And remember, we swung this, we swung the debit spreads, and it was a beautiful trade. So if we go to QQQ and we go to SPY, it is the same exact setup right now. Well, more QQQ than SPY right now, but it looks like SPY is about to get that buy signal. So as we can see with QQQ, we're just stuck in this range right here. And what are we getting? Buy signal, higher buy signal, higher buy signal with a squeeze. So I'm not bearish on the overall market. I really think the earnings are going to be what, you know, tips it. Are we going to actually push and this divergence is true? Or are we going to flop on earnings and the whole market's going to come down? So you got to just keep in mind that there's other things going on that we need to pay attention to. But as of now, I'm more interested in the overall upside just because of that divergence. So I think Tesla reports, what, today or tomorrow? Or I don't even know what day Tesla reports, but I think SPY is going to be waiting on that. So that's going to be a huge influence on the overall price. But that's just, you know, my opinion. So let's make this watch list. Again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, let's start. So let's pull this up. Hopefully you guys made money yesterday. I got smacked on Meta, so we're never looking at Meta again. Screw that stock. But let's see, 1 hour, 4 hour daily, and then I also have a butterfly spread on target. So hopefully that can pay. We shall see. Anyways, they report tomorrow. Cool. All right, let's start with Apple. Today is Netflix. Cool. So Apple had some bad news yesterday. Actually looks like it's kind of bear flagging on that 4 hour. As far as the daily, let's see, 146. Hold on, let me draw this in. We'll see with Apple. God, throat's killing me. Apple, still looking for that Abby buy swing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Let's see, AMD. Looks like AMD's coming back up. Holding 1 hour, 4 hour, 21s. Hit that daily 34 EMA to a T yesterday. Oh yeah, there was also like a bunch of sweeps that came in for SMH, which is a semi ETF. Let's see, AMD interested in the upside. What time's that? What time's the bill at? Or what time is the vote? Can't talk today. Amazon, I like that above 115.03. Tesla. How expensive are these Tesla contracts? Around 2K. 1,800 to 2K. I'd be interested if it can crack 732.5. So we'll throw Tesla on the list. SIBO looking for a swing. GME. That came back up. Came right up to the yesterday's high actually. So let's look for that break of 149.6. It would have to be a very quick scalp to 150, but over 150, we get a lot of room from there. So GME, yep, we got the housing data in 8 minutes. Pepsi looking for a swing there. Pfizer looking for the swing. Realty income, whoops. Realty income looking for a swing. Let's see, PayPal's got the stochastic divergence. That had a nice move yesterday. Let's see, not interested. Still looking for a swing there. TTD, I think, tried to break out yesterday, and it did hold. Hopefully you guys caught that. I completely missed that. But it did, yes it did, it held outside. So maybe we can snag a swing there. And then XBI looking for a swing. Pull up the squeeze list. Also, I finally got my Bookmap working. So if anybody knows how to use Bookmap, shoot me a DM because you're gonna have to teach me. Because I have no idea what I'm looking at. I'm gonna show you guys this real quick though. Let's see. Cancel. Cool. So this is what Bookmap is. I gotta figure out how to add futures. Is it /ES? We'll just go with that. Subscribe. Bingo. There we go. So this is what Bookmap is. It's like level 2 on steroids. They like just gave it to me yesterday. So I've been playing around with it, and honestly, I have no idea what I'm looking at. Pretty much you want to know about these red bars and the orange bars and the yellow bars. That's pretty much what I've gotten out of it. So yeah, if anybody knows, shoot me a DM. Anyways, let's see, we looked at Apple, we looked at AMD, we looked at Amazon, Boeing. A nice little move these last couple of days. Not interested now. Let's see, Baba. How'd everybody do yesterday, you guys? Make money, lose money, take no trades, take meta and get screwed. Coin break, that trend line, it tried. Depending on what Bitcoin's doing, we might be able to snag coin again. Remember, coin was on the watch list yesterday. That thing was dirty. And of course, I didn't take it. It would have been a beautiful trade. CRWD still in the channel. Don't really care. Chevron, Delta. 15% on Amazon call. Good job. Hey, small losses, big wins. That's the name of the game. We looked at GME. I am not looking at Meta. We'll never look at that stock again. Microsoft get above 256.95 or below 253.3. Literally though, that coin went stupid yesterday. Should have had myself a 5-minute work day, but traded MU, or not MU. Oh my god, I was about to click on MU. Meta. Traded Meta. Yes, I'm a little salty. Gonna have to deal with me. Looks like Meta might be trying. Oh my god, not Meta. Nvidia. Looks like Nvidia might be trying a little inverse head and shoulders right here. Maybe Nvidia. We'll come back to that once the news drops. We looked at PayPal. QQQ's got a 1-hour squeeze. Good morning. I would like to see that squeeze fire long. Holding those moving averages to the upside. It's above that daily, or actually no, it came right down to that daily 21 and 8 EMA yesterday. Remember, when it's overextended, it typically pulls back. So I would like to see a push in QQQ possibly. Raku, even though this just screwed me, what, last week, Thursday? I will look at it again. Not interested. Again, small losses, big wins. That's the name of the game. Let's see, good old SPY. Close right on that 8 EMA and 21 EMA, 385.75. I'd be interested. SQ, don't care about. And Target, don't care about. Oh wait, we got 2 more, UAL and Exxon. Don't care. And then finally Exxon. Don't care. Cool. Smaller list today. We have Apple, AMD, Amazon, Tesla, GME, Coin, Microsoft, Nvidia, and QQQ. We got 2 minutes till the reports drop, the housing report, so we do want to pay attention to that. Again, if you guys could, real quick, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And if you have not already, make sure to subscribe. We are super close to 25K. So it would mean the absolute world to me if you guys would do that. And yeah, go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Anyways, let's pull up the 5-minute. What's the actual housing data that's dropping today? Drop my book in the chat again. Boom. Let's see, what actual housing data do we get? What is this? There we go. Tuesday, building permits and housing starts, 8:30. That's all we got today. So, all right, we got 1 minute. So, real quick, if you guys could, or actually, I already told you guys to do that. Ask me any questions while we're just sitting here waiting. I will answer them. QGCS. What is that? QGCS. QGCS. I don't see that. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Market's reacting. News hasn't even dropped yet. I wish I could tell you if it's gonna pump or dump. Remember, every single day is different. Right now, we're looking at Apple, AMD, Amazon, Tesla, GME, Coin, Microsoft, Nvidia, and QQQ, but I still got to narrow the list. Housing starts -2%, consensus plus 1.4%. Building permits -0.6% to 1.685 mil rate in June. So housing starts 1.559 mil, expectation 1.58 mil, housing permits 1.68 mil, expectation 1.65 mil. So it looks like the housing permits are above the expectation and the housing starts are below expectation. So let's see how the market reacts. Let's see. Matt, that is completely up to you. Whenever you think Amazon is at a good price. Unfortunately, I cannot give advice on that one. Cool, let's give the market a couple minutes to react. Let's see what it ends up doing. I would say the housing data does have an impact. That's kind of what everybody's looking at right now. Of course, Jerry, always. Whoops, gotta get myself a cough drop. Anyways, looks like we didn't really see a huge reaction. All right, somebody let me know if the futures start dumping or pumping. And yeah, let's narrow this list in the meantime. So Apple, again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. Once we hit 150 likes, that's when I drop the watch list. So it kind of looks like Apple is in this this bear flag on the 4 hour. I want to see a break below. Extend to the right, bingo. So we can actually watch Apple both ways. Break below 146, get like a 40-cent scalp. Let's see. Yeah, it's just economic stuff that you want to pay attention to. So we'll look at Apple. I'm going to see us break below that bear flag. So I kind of like that setup. See if we have any higher probabilities. I mean, that AMD looks really good. Above 82.3. So let's see if we're near any SMAs. Nope. Actually, right at that daily pivot. Yeah, if we can crack 82.3, should be smooth sailing. For the break above there, yesterday's high. Daily 21 EMA is at 81.46. No SMAs are blocking. Let's see, we got some resistance there. There. Why is it not snapping on? Come on, there we go. None there. Looks like we're pretty much good with this AMD. Yeah, it looks like we're hitting all the levels. There's one more right there. Nope. Cool. Yeah, there's a bunch of space. Yeah, I really don't have a lot of resistance on AMD. Actually, right there's one. Cool. All right, let's watch this. I really like this. There's a decent amount of upside that we could get. 82.3, 83.08. Let's see. Puts below this low right here. Cool. Let's get this sent out to everybody. AMD looking for a break above 82.3 for calls. Price target equal 83.08, 84.47, 85.41, 86.38. Puts below 80.94. There we go. All right, there's AMD. I'll drop that in the chat here in a few minutes. What was that person's suggestion about your throat? Literally, like, I woke up on Saturday and my throat was killing me, and then just yesterday I started losing my voice and literally trying my best to be as loud as I can this morning for you guys. Yeah, keep an eye on the dollar, because it seems like the dollar has at least a short-term top. So that's typically good for stocks once the dollar starts coming down. Good old Amazon. Tried to break the trend line yesterday. We can use a trend line as a price target today. Around like 116-ish. That high, aim for this high. Ginger tea with honey, will do. Let's see, 55 EMA is at 118.12. 118.12. Remember, there's a lot of stochastic divergence, so in reality, like, I'm really interested in the upside. I really think the market could push as long as the earnings are good. We could see that next leg up. Tons of divergence, SPY, QQQ, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, they're everywhere. And again, I talk about them in my trading ebook, New Age of Technical Analysis. So there's a link for that. Whiskey and honey. I haven't drank alcohol in ever since I was in Ocean City with GD, so it's been a month. I have not drank no alcohol. But I'm interested in that Amazon, like Tesla. Tesla doesn't look bad. GME. I think that 150 would be like the best spot. Really, if we saw a break at 150, this thing could get going. GME, like, coin. What's Bitcoin doing? That's what we gotta look at. We're gonna trade coin, we gotta know what's going on with Bitcoin. That had a nice little divergence, squeeze trying to fire up. Maybe with coin. Put a question mark next to coin. Again, make sure you guys are running up the like button. We got 187 people up in here and only 107 likes. Need y'all to run it up to 150 likes. Microsoft. Maybe. Put a question mark there. NVIDIA. Question mark on NVIDIA, and then obviously watching SPY and QQQ. Alrighty, so we know what we like. We put AMD on the list. Let's go back to that Apple. I think Apple is going to be something I rotate to if the market ends up pulling. Just because of that 4-hour flag that we have. So I'm just gonna oh my god, I'm just gonna tell people watch the Apple just in case. If market pulls, watch Apple 4-hour bear flag. Cool. Savage already dropped his levels. Let's see. All right, so we got Apple. Just keep that on your radar. Keep like an alert at that bear flag. Somebody said Amazon was squeezing on the 5-minute. Yes, it is. 115.03. I'd be very interested in. Cool. I like it. Amazon. This might actually be my favorite setup. As long as we can hold that level and not dump. Amazon looking for a break above 115.05 for calls. Price target equal 115.59, 116-ish, which is that yellow trend line, and then 117. Oops. Favorite setup. All right, there's Amazon. Are you asking if I watch the OBV on every time frame? Again, I really like that stochastic divergence. I'm really I'm very interested in the upside. It just really depends on Apple. The market's been following Apple and Tesla earnings and Netflix earnings. If you guys want to watch Tesla today, watch it over 732.5, 736, 75 or 65, and then possibly all the way to yesterday's high. But it has a nice daily squeeze, came right up to that daily 55 EMA and rejected it yesterday. So yeah, if you guys want, feel free to watch Tesla. I'm personally not going to. I'm going to look for better setups. Let's see, Amazon. We already got that. GME is really going to be if it cracks 150. That's really what I'm interested in. You have to go with the 160 calls on GME. Which, let's see, if we're looking for the crack of 150. We could get like a $3 move out of GME. I mean, we also could take like an early entry, but I personally think 150 is going to be the best. So we'll come back to that. We'll see what it does in the pre-market. Coin's already breaking, so take that off the list. Microsoft. 256.95. Daily 21 is at 259.04. Boom. Think we rip. 259.04, 261.1, which is the 50 SMA, which it looks like we hit to a T yesterday. Boom. Yeah, we literally did hit it to a T. Okay, so Microsoft is a big maybe. Nvidia. Futures are pumping. Perfect. Nvidia depends if it breaks that level. So I would say Amazon and QQQ are my favorite setups today. But we're gonna put this QQQ out. QQQ. Very interested over pre-market highs using Savage's levels. Is the VIX pumping? Let's see. All right, let's run through that list one more time. We got AMD, we got GME. Other than that, Microsoft and Nvidia is really what I like. But I think I'm gonna wait a little closer to market open to actually decide, okay, am I watching these or am I not? So AMD and Nvidia, they typically move together. It looks like Nvidia might be breaking the level. So hold on, what did I put out? There's actually a few swings I got on watch. I like a lot. So AMD. Apple if the market pulls back, Amazon. And then SPY and QQQ. Cool. Cool. So VIX at 2478, falling in the last 10 minutes. Well, that's what VIX does. When VIX goes down, market goes up. Vice versa. So again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. We need 20 more likes to hit the like goal. Anyways, again, real quick, while you guys are running up the likes, again, if you didn't know, my new trading ebook, The New Age of Technical Analysis, has officially released. So if you guys would like to learn more about my overall trading strategy, there's a link right there. Then do you use yesterday's highs? No, I use yesterday's highs as price targets, depending on where it actually is to the current stock price. But yeah, so pre-market high just went up. Yeah, we'll make it work, don't worry. Remember, QQQ above 292.28, that's what I'm really interested in. And we'll look at AMD. It didn't really break the level too much, but I guess that would be nice and drop the watch list. AMD, you guys are super close to the light goal anyway. Amazon, is it sending? Full send? QQQ. Did I give you guys the Apple? I did not. If the market pulls, watch Apple. Cool. So that's going to be everything I'm watching today. As always, if the market invalidates the setups, I just either won't trade or I'll look for a different position. But you know, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. As always, options trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. Anyways, I gotta roll out and get some stuff done before the market opens. So if you guys are in the Discord server, I'll talk to you guys in like 20 minutes.